Wow.
Right?
I've never done one of these before. Where do I even start? Hi guys, welcome to,
sorry.
Anyways, as I was saying, welcome to Paige's YouTube channel. Oh, sorry. Anyways guys, sorry about that. Today's video is one of my personal favorites because it directly impacted me. And I'm just really excited for you guys to get to see it. So basically here's what happened, right? Because we're all friends here. We talk openly. It's an open circle. Y'all deserve to know the truth.
Oh, wow.
The truth is, Paige's computer broke. Crashed. Did she break it? Did her dad break it? Did her mom break it? Did I? I definitely didn't break it. We don't know. We don't know these answers. But what we do know is she doesn't have her computer, which means she lost a ton of footage, which included the entire intro, which is far better than this, I'm sure. So I've been left in charge to bore you guys. Please do not turn off the video. Sorry about that. Her computer crashed and she has no,
This is a mess.
She has no room on her SIM card. Anyways, she knew that I had recently just gotten back from London. I was in a funk, and she's obviously in Indiana for her school, and we haven't seen each other in like 3 months. Don't cry, honey. She's behind. She's getting a little emo back there.
Am I though?
Yeah, I feel it.
Okay.
I'm getting emo.
Okay, yeah.
And so she was her incredibly thoughtful and beautiful self, and
wow.
she decided to surprise me, hop on a plane. I genuinely, guys.
You had no clue,
no,
right?
I genuinely had no
idea. Oh, well,
idea.
this is kind of a spoiler, I guess.
Well, it is, but I'm also here with you. Like, clearly
and I
not
think
in
it was
Indiana,
already...
And I did put, we
it was
posted
spoiled
about
a long time ago.
But we had a lot of fun moments, and we were able to document them, and we hope that you guys will watch. But sorry that you didn't get to see her intro. Sorry you had to sit through this one, but you know, you win some, you lose some, right? The winning is coming after this. This is the lose. The winning will follow.
Oh my god.
Stay tuned. Okay, keep watching. Whatever the kids say.
Bye.
It's happening. Bye.
Okay, so I'm currently in Arizona right now. It's around 10 o'clock. I'm waiting for my connecting flight. It got delayed a little bit, so I'm here for another hour, I think. I should be getting into LA around, I think, like 2 o'clock. So hopefully she's gonna be home at that time and I could just go over there and say surprise. I haven't given it much thought actually how I'm gonna surprise her. I feel like I should do that. I'm just so excited to see her. I'm texting her right now and she has no clue. I'm gonna put this on my Instagram story so Bailey can see it and like fully believe that I'm still in Indiana. Let's make this believable. I'm dying. Okay, so I just landed. I'm back with my dad. He picked me up. I think we're gonna go straight to B's house. I'm so excited. Ah! My dad's gonna record the whole thing.
If it's bumpy, don't blame me.
Also, my parents totally hooked it up for me and helped me get balloons for her as well as little cake. So cute.
Wait, how do I? Oh, yeah, there. Okay. Okay. Go. Yeah, the numbers are moving. So yeah, let's go. Let's go. Open the door. Why was she not home?
She is. Shut up. Shut up. Oh my god. How the heck are you here? Wait, were you surprised? I can't comprehend it.
I love you guys.
What are you doing? How are you here? Oh my god. Wait, you're making me cry. I just looked. So it's the next day. Here's the outfit for the day.
How are you doing outfit of the day? So today I'm wearing
Someone's gonna have to change.
How did this happen?
But anyways, tonight we're gonna go to the pumpkin patch. We're gonna paint pumpkins. I'm very excited. And then we're also gonna bake. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. And yeah, they're so cute.
The kids are gonna love these.
So this is the recipe we're doing tonight.
No,
which one?
That recipe. We're doing this recipe.
Wait, which one is this? Oh, whoa, those look like we can actually do.
Yeah.
She's on a mission. Whenever we cook.
No, you didn't. You just didn't
I
read
already
the
messed
directions.
Whoops. Welcome back to our cooking show
Okay.
in our matching outfits. I feel like we can't vlog it because it's actually hard.
Well, the thing is, we actually don't have a lid. Oh. Skillet simmer.
So this is the filling. Wow. Top chefs. This is the caramel, and I've never seen Bailey be more serious or focus on something more in her life.
Where are all of my appliances?
There she is. Wow.
I just can't stop whisking the other way. Caramel, like, it's very sensitive. It's like me.
If you could be anything, it would be caramel.
I'm not gonna get a cookie show off of this.
We should have chosen an easier recipe. This is making us look really bad. It looks really good though.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yes, promise.
Toss the apples, make sure everything's evenly coated.
And then the filling will be done.
Honestly, if these turn out good,
If these turn out good,
it's like so impressed.
they're either gonna be really, really, really good
So bad.
or so bad. Pure face of happiness.
No, you cannot have a brownie before dinner.
Bailey did that. Oh wow, that looks even better. Incredible. What? We're chefs.
I don't mean to be misorganizing.
Oh wow. It's time.
Please come out beautiful.
Hold on! I hope they turn out good. I'm nervous.
I'm so proud of them.
Oh gosh. I can't even. Call us top chefs. I mean,
stupid.
unreal. Okay,
Okay.
we're gonna try it. Taste test.
They look like little pie. Oh, pimple cream, guys. Always, honestly, how I
They're
have symmetrical pimples, I
That's the most
don't
important
know.
part.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Wait. Cheers.
Cheers.
I can't. So good.
Yeah. Oh my
Oh
god.
my god.
How have we never made this?
Can we make this every time I come home?
Yeah. Yeah.
10 out of 10.
11 out of 11.
11 out of 11. We did
Whoa.
this. Like, come on.
But it is so good.
We're gonna link the recipe down below.
Wow.
So good. Okay, so I'm editing this video and I realized I don't have an outro. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm obviously back home in Indiana, as you guys can tell. I got in early this morning. My flight landed here at like, I think 6 a.m. So I'm like half awake right now. But I wanna get this video up for you guys today, Tuesday. I'm not making any sense. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. I love you guys so, so, so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
And the tank top too.
What? Who planned this? No.
How do you look cool?
I know. We look You look like such a mom right now.
I only have 10 minutes to the gym with ballet. We have to go.
She really goes the extra mile. Good, right?
It's great.
Don't.
No.
Okay, never mind.
No.
Scratch that cut.